The 2020 for new Carplay AI Box is an advanced in-car entertainment system designed to upgrade the multimedia capabilities of BMW vehicles with ID6, ID7, and ID8 infotainment systems. Available on Aliexpress, this AI box brings Android 10 functionalities, making it a versatile and powerful addition to your car's existing setup. BMW Compatibility, specifically designed to fit BMW models with ID6, ID7, and ID8 systems, ensuring seamless integration and compatibility with the car's existing controls and interface. Plug and play, the device is easy to install, requiring no extensive modifications or technical expertise. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to use. 8-core processor. Equipped with an 8-core processor, the AI box delivers smooth and responsive performance, handling multitasking and media playback with ease. 4 GB RAM. The ample 4 GB of RAM ensures that the system runs efficiently, even when multiple applications are in use. 64 GB storage. With 64 GB of internal storage, you have plenty of space for apps, audio, videos, and other data. The 2020 for new Carplay AI Box is a powerful upgrade for BMW vehicles with ID6, ID7, and ID8 systems. Its advanced Android 10 operating system, combined with robust hardware, provides an enhanced in-car entertainment and navigation experience. With features like 4G LTE connectivity, seamless smartphone integration, and user-friendly installation, this AI box is a valuable addition for any BMW owner looking to modernize their vehicle's infotainment capabilities.